Hello friends, welcome to Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar. And what are we not going to get right today is we are not going to demand and control anything from anyone. Yes, we are not going to demand and control anything from anyone. We are not going to expect or we are not going to demand anything from anyone, nor are we going to control anything or anyone. Rather, what we need to start doing is we need to demand and control ourselves. Whatever you want to demand, whatever you have to ask for, whatever you want in your life, you have to demand that from yourself. You have to start demanding things from yourself. Demand from yourself to be great, to be healthy, to be wealthy, to be the best. You need to demand from yourself. Yes, you need to demand from yourself. And when you demand all of these things from yourselves, to be great, to be healthy, to be wealthy, to be rich, to be simply great, it gets fulfilled. Yes, it gets fulfilled. If you demand from anybody else, it is never gonna get fulfilled. But if you demand it from yourself, there are high chances, it is of the highest probability that it will get fulfilled. It will get fulfilled. You just need to do one small thing. You need to just do one small thing. You need to demand, and then you need to control. You need to control. Once again, you need to control not anybody else, not your neighbors, not your family members, not anybody else, but yourself. You need to be in complete control of yourself. You need to be in complete control of the demands that you are making to yourself. Yes, that is how things would change for you. If you start demanding to yourself that I am going to be the richest person on the earth, and then you control your actions, and then you take actions accordingly, nobody on earth can stop you from being one. Nobody on earth can stop you from being one. Yes, you heard me right. Nobody on earth can stop you from being one of the richest person on earth if you demand this from yourself, and then you control your actions. You make sure that you are not doing anything that is not fulfilling your demand. You are making sure that every action that you take is in the direction of having your demands fulfilled. So you give that input to your mind, you give that input to your brain that you want to be the wealthiest or the richest person on earth, and then you control your actions. So everything happens here in your mind. Everything happens here in your brain. You demand, you control, and you get what you want. That is the simple magical formula of getting all you want to get from your life, from yourself, from the world, from the universe actually. You get everything that you want. You get everything that you demand, but your demands have to be right. Your demands have to be done to yourself. You cannot go and show the gun to somebody and demand some money or something and you become rich. It won't happen. It would never happen. No matter how much of money you collect, by just demanding out and somebody giving you out of fear, or somebody giving to you out of courtesy or anything, that demand is not going to fulfill your desire of being rich, of being wealthy, of being healthy. If you demand yourself that you want to be healthy, then you need to control your eating habits. You need to control yourself, how you work out, how you live your life. That is the secret to be healthy. That is exactly the secret to be wealthy too. That is the secret to be rich. That is the secret to be successful. That is the secret to be wonderful. Yes, you need to demand and you need to control. So we are going to stop demanding for anything from the environment, from the neighbors, from the family members, from the teachers, from anybody else for that sake. But we are going to demand things from ourselves, and we are going to control ourselves. That does it all, and you become successful. So wish you all the very best from me, Sawan Kumar, for achieving all the successes that you demand and you control. Wish you all the best. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.